everyone, I'm Liz Ancel and I am a realtor with Cummings Company Realtors in Baltimore, Maryland. I've been in the business 13, almost 14 years, and let me tell you, I have seen everything. And I have to say, the number one question that I hear from people who are thinking about buying a home is, where do I start? What do I do? So I thought it would be great to put together this quick informational video so first-time home buyers and even second-time home buyers can get a refresher to see what are the first 3 steps when you're thinking about buying a home. Step number 1, find a local real estate agent who knows the area that you're interested in buying. I mean, you wouldn't want to work with somebody who's never even stepped foot in the neighborhood or the location that you're interested. And not only that, a local agent who is responsive to you and knows the market can help you find hidden incentives and also avoid a lot of issues down the road. Now, Zillow is a great resource because you can go on, find neighborhoods that you're interested in, and then connect with the agents who work in those areas, and all their reviews are on there. So it's a great way to start by finding an agent. Step number 2, do a consultation with the realtor. It doesn't make any bit of sense for any realtor to not meet with you first to understand your needs and your goals and your timeline, and also to explain the process. It makes no sense for them to jump in the car and start showing you homes when they haven't even sat down with you for 5 minutes to understand what it is you're looking for. I mean, would you have major surgery without first consulting your doctor? You wouldn't. So why would you make the biggest purchase of your life without first consulting with your realtor? Step number 3, get pre-approved. I cannot stress enough, this is a critical element to this entire process. It makes no sense to start looking at homes if you haven't talked to a lender, because how do you know what you're comfortable with monthly payment-wise, down payment-wise, loan option-wise? You don't. You have to do the homework and the work up front to make sure it's an easy, smooth process. Listen, if a realtor doesn't explain how to get pre-approved and make sure that you've at least talked to some lenders before showing you homes, beware, because you are setting yourself up for failure. To recap, step number 1, find a realtor. Step number 2, do a consultation. And step number 3, get pre-approved. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure. Stay tuned for the next episode. And again, I'm Liz Ancel with Cummings Company Realtors. See you next time.